The phrases of the week this week are, how does that sound? And,
That sounds great!
we use the phrase, how does that sound? After we suggest an idea or a plan, and we want to find out what others think about it. If you like the idea or plan, you can respond with the phrase, that sounds great. For example, you might say to your friend, we could have dinner at 6, and then we could go to a movie. How does that sound? Or to give another example, you might say, let's hire a band to play the music, and Eric can take the photographs at the event. How does that sound? If you like the idea, you can respond with the other phrase, that sounds great. Note that the great in this sentence can be replaced with any synonym, such as awesome, perfect, excellent, or fantastic. That sounds fantastic.
Good.
For example, you might say to your friend, hey, my mum's baking some cookies this afternoon. We could go to my house and eat some. How does that sound?
That sounds perfect!
That's the phrases of the week. How does that sound? And that sounds perfect. Join us next week and learn a new phrase for your English. How does that sound?
That sounds fantastic!